match hi L Punta versus Sierra Kong na Punta ling reu hi kichine. Juwangin na nani shi team na team managers. L Punta gala Sierra Kong with team managers. Nani na kawao ko ni shat la yaka. Ishi wili form ra hui laga katha kuya longli player list misang miao lu ni shilagra.
Second half, Haboki Chere. RAMVA versus NGAINGA. First half, Chiring Pa lang Yingwe. Second half, Chiring Pa may lilabay. NGAINGA na lead sat lay. Paving a may hat-trick ay na NGAINGA 3, RAMVA 0. Curry second half, RAMVA bash na comeback sa by chance date lay.
A very warm welcome everyone. This is the second half of the first quarter-final of the day, being played between NGAINGA and RAMVA. Half-time, NGAINGA 3, RAMVA 0. NGAINGA 3 goals up after a first half hat-trick from their skipper Rongsing Muinao. So this is the first quarter-final match of the day, and there will be 3 quarter-finals, 4. The 3 other quarterfinals will follow. The second one to be played between Tainem and Lamlang at 10 a.m. Sierra Kong and El Punta at 12 noon, and Pali and Ahor at 3 p.m. So we go on. We start with the second half of this first quarterfinal. RAMVA straight into action, trying to get their foot in and trying to put a marker down right from the opening minutes of this second half. Shitsung, defended by RAMVA defender. Shitsung again. Now it's Simikan. Isomi charged down by Masot. Shitsung plays it back to Marin. Marin. Oh, that is a miskick from jersey number 13 for RAMVA, Mushun, and is a flag on this near side by the assistant for an offside on Rongsing Muinao. A lot of time had elapsed since the assistant raised his flag. The referee was oblivious to the flag, so he let play continue, but he's brought back play now. Sochan cleared by Riwung for Kandring. RAMVA will try to come again. Yalumpam comes off his line and clears it out front. Song-Young, the skipper for RAMVA, misplaces his pass, collected by Kandring, plays it back to Tamaising. Tamaising had time on the ball but chose to play the first ball for Shiratio instead. Shiratio a little too behind the ball. Now, Ngaimi is dispossessed by Masot. Masot again. Dispossessed now by Ngaipam. Masot
Son Mi, jersey number 9. Tim Sung, jersey number 6.
Ball won back by NGAINGA. Tamri Singh for Risomi. That's a delightful take from Risomi. Risomi inside the box. Risomi gets the cross in. It's intercepted by Mashun, and it's gone out for a corner for NGAINGA. The first corner of the second half.
Zedvinim Shimri, jersey number 6. LL Lungbampi, jersey number 3. Mingyao Layson, jersey number 9.
Taken by Tamri Singh. Tamri Singh. It's a good one straight at the goalkeeper. The keeper did well to get his hand on that. And 3 RAMVA players unable to clear the resulting ball, and in the end, oh no, it's been flagged for offside. Kandring thought he had given NGAINGA their 4th goal, but it's been given for offside by the assistant on the far side here. So the celebrations has been halted. So the referee going over to his assistant to find out what the nature of the offense was that led to the assistant referee raising his flag, and we will see in a while if it was for an offside or if it was for a foul. Oh, so it's been given. Kandring coming back from an offside position. Bit of a push at the back by Shiratio on just number 19 for RAMVA. Cleared by Yelumpam, collected now by Ngampam. Ngampam back to Sochan. Sochan with a cross inside the box for Hongampam. Hongampam had straight offsides. Good collection from Yaobe as well, the goalkeeper for NGAINGA, who gives the ball straight back to Sochan, and Sochan gives it straight back to Risomi. Risomi, that's a delightful chipped pass out on the right flank for Tamri Singh. Tamri Singh for Rung Singh, and Rung Singh has a haul in this match. Rung Singh, that is 4th for the game, and NGAINGA's 4th of the match. So as things stand, it is Rung Singh 4 and RAMVA 0. 4-0 for NGAINGA. And that goal takes Rung Singh top of the charts for the top scorer title. He has 6 goals in 2 games. So a healthy average of 3 goals a game. He scored 2 in the opening match, and he has scored 4 here in this quarter-final clash. Cross there by Simi Khan, collected by Yaopei. Yaopei finds Kandring. Kandring to Ngiaimi. Ngiaimi out for Risomi. Risomi has been the midfield general here for NGAINGA. He has in orchestrating play from the middle of the park. The magician in chief for NGAINGA, creating all those chances. It was through his wonderful chipped ball on the top of the RAMVA defense that set Tamri Singh free, and Tamri Singh with his cross found Rung Singh, who finished from close range to score his 4th goal of the game. So it's been plain sailing so far for NGAINGA. Yaopei has hardly been tested at the NGAINGA goal, and the task for RAMVA now is monumental. One back again by Ngiaimi. Ngiaimi was looking for Kandring, but good interception by Ahor. Risomi wins back ball. Again plays it back to Yelumpam. Yelumpam inside for Ngiaimi. Ngiaimi for Rung Singh. Rung Singh out wide for Kandring. Kandring who plays it back to Yelumpam. Yelumpam is charged down by Ngampum, and Ngampum wins a free kick of Yolumpum, who was pulling on the RAMVA winger. So the referee is saying that's twice you have done this offense, and it is likely that it will be a yellow card for Yolumpum. Yes, it is a yellow card for Yolumpum. Referee making sure that he reminded Yolumpum he had let him go the first time, and for the second time there was nothing to save Yolumpum from the referee's yellow card. So free kick and temporary respite for RAMVA. Free kick taken long, but it has to be taken again because the referee had not blown his whistle. So it's a second chance for RAMVA. A second chance for Ngampum, winner of the free kick and the taker of the free kick as things stand. So Ngampum, will he put in a better delivery this time? Ngampum. It's cleared by Riwung, and now Risomi for NGAINGA. Risomi saw that the pass for Rungsing was on, but didn't get the contact that he was looking for. Ngampum, half cleared by Riwung. It nearly fell to Ngampum, but it's with Simikan and Ngamshang took the shot on with his left foot from the edge of the box. It's gone out for a goal kick for NGAINGA. So Ngarin now emerging with possession for NGAINGA. Tamri Singh is carried off the pole by Ngamshang, and throw-in has been given to NGAINGA. Ngarin, cleared by Simikan. Another throw-in for NGAINGA. Kandring to Yaimi. High boot there from Masot. So a free kick for NGAINGA. Yaimi wanted to take it early, but Riung saying he would like to have a go with the kick. It's Riung. Cleared by RAMVA now. 18. Tuising finds Ngampum, but Riwung is there to clear the lines for NGAINGA, and nearly fell to Shiratio. Back in again by Sochan. Well defended by NGAINGA. Yaimi finds Kandring. Kandring is trying to play it out wide for Shiratio. The idea was right, not the execution. So it's a throw in for RAMVA. With Tuiting is brought down by Yolumpum, and it'll be interesting to see if the referee gives a second booking to Yolumpum. Yolumpum got the yellow card just a few minutes back, and that was a big offense yet again on the right flank. On Tuiting. Thing is very, very lucky not to escape with a second yellow card there. Holding down the RAMVA winger. It'll be taken by Ngampum by the looks of it for RAMVA. Took the last free kick. Was not such a good free kick. Hopefully he'll be able to deliver a better ball this time. Ngampum, it's high and it's up and over.
Just over the crossbar.
Isomi to Yaimi. Good ball through for Shiratio, well defended by Mushun. Back to Yaimi. Possession won back by Tuising. He'll play it back to Song Yung aimlessly punts it out for a throw win.
Ngainga with number 5 Shitsang Hergi Jere. Ngayami the ball sing with lay. Ngayami the ball sing with lay. Talay number 10 Limiere. Ball control from Paduga. Upon the ball sing lay. Upon the ball sing with lay.
Namshang. This possessed by Yelumpum. Now with Rungsing. Namshang did very well to put his body on the line and take the ball off the feet of Rungsing, who was looking for countering. Rewung. Good ball. Well defended by a combination of Simi Khan and Ahor. Yelumpum. Tamai Singh. He'll be chased down by Birmingham. Rungsing head to head with Song Yung. Rungsing. His ball inside is well defended, but possession won back by Ngayami, and back now with Horngampam of RAMVA. Horngampam, a bit disappointing that pass. Narin now, cleared by Song Yung. Risomi back with Simi Khan. Horngampam. Simi Khan. Now it's gone through for Ngampum. Could not take the ball under control, and he will have a throw in here. So 2 changes upcoming for Ngainga, and Tamri Singh is making way for Ramayon.
Number 9 Tamri Singh Shogaire. Ramayon Arshimran Zangaire.
And the other player is Yelumpum, who will be substituted, and jersey number 4 Yermi Khan will come in. So it is a very good tactical change from the Ngainga coach, because Yelumpum has been working on thin ice ever since he got that yellow card, and he was lucky not to escape with the second yellow card for an offence a bit earlier. And seeing that he was working on a tightrope, the Ngainga coach making sure the game finishes with 10 men. So it's taken off Yelumpum and it's been replaced by Yermi Khan.
Women's volleyball
Horngampam for RAMVA. Horngampam is ball for Simi Khan was a little too heavy. A throw in for Ngainga to be taken by Shitsang. Shitsang plays it inside for his brother Narin. Narin punted up front. Namshang intercepted the ball, but it's back again with Ngainga and with Risomi. Goes pass. 2 players as if they're not there. Risomi, it's a good pass for Ramayon. Ramayon will try to play it back to the left back, but will win it back. Ramayo making up for his mistake, wins the ball back for Ngainga. Ngayami now to Shitsang, back to Ramayon. Now with Risomi. Bit of calm. Risomi again. Shitsang for Kanring. Defended well by Song Yung. So Ngainga doing their best to play out from the back. They're not trying to go long every time they have the ball, which is very good to see. And at the center of all that has been Risomi, jersey number 14, who has been outstanding for Ngainga, one of the best midfielders in the tournament so far. The way in which he controls the game, the way in which he sets the tone of the game is simply exceptional. So Shitsang to Narin. finds Kanring. Kanring plays it back to Yermi Khan, and now Shiratyo is through. Shiratyo, well defended there by Sochan. Goal kick in the end for RAMVA. RAMVA doing very well to recover, having gone behind again very early after the break. They have had better possession and they've been more industrious on the ball in the last 10 minutes. NGAINGA for the last 5 minutes have been sitting back a little bit, taking their foot off the gas a little bit. Cleared by Song Yung. Song Yung, the skipper, has to do better here because the back pass from Sochan, he was under no pressure. He had his centre back partner Phung Ho as a passing option, but instead he chose to play it first time and needlessly conceded a throw in. And NGAINGA win a free kick from that throw in. Free kick on the left side. They've been working there with the ball and he'll have to say a lot to convince. Oh, he has convinced both Birmingham and Rung Sing to allow him to take the free kick here. He's got good technique on the ball. He has been taking the set pieces for NGAINGA so far, and he might be going for goal here. Rin goes straight at goal, and it's straight at the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper spilled it for half a second, and Rung Sing was there, but goalkeeper recovered very well. But that's a bit of a nervous pass there, and mistake there from Ngumshang. Possession won back by Rung Sing. Plays it inside for Kanring. Shiratyo now. Well defended by Masot. Now it's Ngampam. Ngampam looks for Simi Khan, finds him. It's back with Ngampam again. Do you think? Defended well by Yermi Khan. Now with Shiratyo. Shiratyo plays it to NGAIMI. NGAIMI back to Yermi Khan. Yermi Khan to Risomi. Risomi for Kanring. Kanring. Now it's NGAIMI. NGAIMI back to Risomi. Risomi. Ngumshang does well to get the ball away from both NGAIMI and Rung Sing. But possession back again with NGAINGA. Ramayon for Rin. Rin to Rung Sing. The RAMVA defense a bit out of shape at the moment. They're allowing the likes of Kanring and Ramayon to make those runs, and there's a mistake from one of the RAMVA defenders, and that's a huge let off. Completely missed the clearance, and Shiratyo cannot take the chance that was given to him. It was a good chance, and RAMVA will be happy that they're not 5-0 behind. And that was exactly what I was talking about when I was saying that the RAMVA defense has been a little off shape in the last 5 minutes. There's no real line in that back line, and it has allowed the likes of Shiratyo, the likes of Kanring to make those runs without being flagged offside, because there's always a RAMVA player that's playing this NGAINGA players on. But it's a free kick in a very good position for RAMVA, and change in the free kick taker. It's Hwang Ngampam who will take this one from about 25 yards out. NGAINGA have set up a 3-man wall, and Almost everyone back inside the box except for Kanring. Wangampum, good distance. Wangampum cannot clear the wall. Back in again by Ngampum. Do you think? Cleared by Narin. So there's a player down injured for NGAINGA, and it is Shitsung now who is down injured.
NGAINGA serious injury ning mane pasang attack locally attack to me number 5 Shitsung we now NGAINGA laga real winner ready side
Ball given back to RAMVA and Ngumshang. Try to go past both Ramayon and Troisomi, but NGAINGA have a throw in. Narin finds Ngayaimi. Ngayaimi lost the ball in midfield there, and Ngampum now. Ngampum to Simikan. Simikan still. Now with Ngumshang. Ngumshang has support. Ngumshang instead tries to play the ball inside the box. They'll come again through Sochan. But Sochan is dispossessed by Shiratyo. Shiratyo finds Kanring. Kanring now. Kanring plays the ball beautifully for Ramayon on this right channel, and Ramayon now. Ramayon well defended by Song Yung the first time and Mashun the second time. So a throw-in has been given from RAMVA's way, with the assistant saying the last touch came off Ramayon. Shitsung to Ramayon. Ramayon for Ngayaimi, for Rungsing back to Risomi. Risomi out wide for Shiratyo, cleared by Sochan. RAMVA coming back very strong in those last 10 minutes. They've had the lion's share of possession, and majority of the game in the last 10 minutes have been played inside the NGAINGA half. But in spite of all the possession, RAMVA unable to muster any clear shots or any clear chance as things stand. Now with Yermi Khan to Risomi charged down by Masot. Masot for Riwung for Risomi. Risomi taking his time on the ball, taking out two RAMVA players with his pass out wide for Yermi Khan, and miscontrol there uncharacteristically from Rungsing. Risomi fouled by Ngumshang. Risomi is not happy at all with Ngumshang for that high stat challenge. Riwung was calling out on Kanring to make the run. Kanring didn't get the communication from Riwung. Ramayon now. Ramayon back to Ngayaimi for Rungsing. Rungsing maneuvers the ball exceptionally well. Out of those two RAMVA defenders, he was clipped by Pungrihor, or was it Masot? And it's a free kick for NGAINGA. So Rungsing has Ahor as things stand, 4 goals, and he will look to make it 5 with this free kick from just outside the box. Does not favor his right foot, but he may go for the near post. No, instead he goes for the pass, and the header in the end was poor from his teammates. It's gone out for a goal kick for RAMVA. Ahor to Ahor out wide for Zimi Khan. Zimi Khan does well to keep the ball in play. Ahor under pressure from Birmingham. Birmingham wins the ball back. Birmingham out for Kandring. Kandring back to Birmingham. Birmingham! Oh, it was a good cross, but Shirajo didn't get the jump on that cross. A little jump and a little flick from his head, and the ball would probably have ended up at the back of the net, but it was straight, and it felt as if it was defender heading the ball away. That effort from Shirajo. Foul by Isomi. So a free kick for RAMVA, and NGAINGA have made a substitution, and it is Ranam Kapai who is coming on for Yaupei. Yaupei has had little to do throughout the game, and the youngster Ranam Kapai has been given a chance between the sticks for the last 10 minutes of the game, and his first task will be saving this free kick taken by Mushun, but the ball does not get to Ranam. Shirajo intercepted by Mushun, with Zimi Khan now for RAMVA. Zimi Khan loses the ball in the middle of the park. Rungsing plays it through for Shirajo. Shirajo goes past Song Yung, but Shirajo has been penalized for a handball in the build up to that play. Song Yung takes the ball early, finds Tweeting finds Zimi Khan, and Zimi Khan now through on goal. Zimi Khan, Rewung getting there ahead of Ranam again. So the young goalkeeper haven't had the touch of the ball in this game so far. Good defending there from Ranam, and Ranam will get into the action for the first time. Safe handling. Shun. Throw in for RAMVA. Ngomshang finds Zimi Khan. Well defended by Rewung. Went back again by Masot, the youngster, doing exceptionally well. Narin finds Rungsing now. It's 4 against 5 here. Played through for Shirajo and Sochan going for that ball. Shirajo winning a throw in. Plays it back to his skipper Rungsing plays it to Ngayaimi for Marin. Marin has a swipe at goal, and it's a corner. I think the last touch came off a RAMVA defender, so it's another corner for NGAINGA.
with corner kick.
Ramayon will take the corner kick for NGAINGA. Umpteenth time they have gotten the chance from the corner. Ramayon cleared at the first post by Ngomshang. Back on the other flank for Birmingham feigns the shots. Birmingham gets the shot away. Birmingham, ooh. Half the crowd thought that had gone in. Just whiskers away from that near post. Ahor for Ahor. It looks like Simicon and Ahor has changed their flanks. Ahor now playing left back and Simicon playing left wing. Song Young, the skipper for RAMVA, needs to calm down a little bit. His distribution has been poor so far, and under no pressure has been giving the ball away a lot of times in the second half. Needs to get a good bearing of the game.
Goal kick direct. Muscle pull side, the cram side. Angle player.
So Conring down with cramps. The goal kick taken by Song Young. It's a better one this time from Song Young. Jeremy Khan not taking any chances, conceding a throw in. Masot on the throw in. Masot seems to be a bit of a problem there with Masot's kids. I think he has entered the fray without the protective shin cards and he has been asked to fully put up, and he might get into the referee's bookings for that.
Football match.
Isomi. Possession won back by Ramion. Now back with Ahor. For Song Young. Song Young to Ahor. Back to Ahor. Now with Song Young. Song Young. Nutmegs. Isomi. I cannot get past Gavin. Good first time play by Rung Sing. Narin finds Rung Sing again. Rung Sing 1-1 against the goalkeeper. Keeper away of his line. Rung Sing. Now with Shiratio. Shiratio finds Ramion. Shiratio is down nursing an injury. NGAINGA are only playing with 10 men at the moment. Conring still receiving treatment towards the centenary hole there, and Shiratio is also down injured. They will have 11 man back again as Conring is being replaced by jersey number 7 Ramtan. And Shiratio gets back up on his feet and he will be able to continue. No nonsense clearance from Shitsang. Throw in for RAMVA.
Women's volleyball semi-final. Women's volleyball semi-final. Kare match Talui versus Lamlang. Ari Ngarew Talui versus Lamlang. Ari Ngarew Usually Pali versus Ringwi Ramhon Ngarew Horajena Pali.
Hongampam to Masot. Back to Hongampam. Hongampam plays it back to Ahor. NGAINGA now on the counter. Birmingham up against Suchan. Birmingham plays it back to Shiratio. Shiratio was trying to take the shot on. Shiratio plays it back to Birmingham for Shiratio again. Shiratio to just number 14, Risomi, like weaving past the RAMVA players, almost Messi-esque, and his shot in the end well blocked by a RAMVA defender. But that was a magical bit of play from Risomi. Would have been one of the goals of the tournament had he scored that. Rungsing takes it early. Risomi plays it back to Rungsing. Rungsing will put the cross in. There is Ngarin on the back post here. Ngarin plays it back to the substitute Unglam Tan, and Unglam Tan cannot keep his shot low, and in the end it's gone over the crossbar, just inches over the crossbar. Ahor takes the goal kick for RAMVA. NGAINGA win back possession anyway. Birmingham to Risomi for Unglam Tan finds Ramion back to, and it's a good shot from Shiratio from the edge of the box, doing well to control the pass from Yaimi, and he took the touch, set himself up beautifully for the shot, and the goal in the end was fantastic from Shiratio, the substitute who came on at half time. And so it is a demolition for NGAINGA, who are 5 goals to the good here against RAMVA, with just a minute or so to play in this game. But they might be interested in getting more. Well defended by Ngampom this time. Risomi on fight for Yami Khan, defended by Sochan all the way back to Rewung. Rewung will play it out wide for Shitsung. Nearly losing the ball there, but Risomi. Now Rungsing. And that is the full-time whistle. No time added on after NGAINGA make easy job of RAMVA. 5-0 to NGAINGA. 4 goals for the NGAINGA skipper Rungsing Winau, and the last goal scored by Shiratio, who came on at half time. So a wonderful performance from NGAINGA, who are the first team to book their berths in the semi-final of this 75th Singtun Katam Now Long Platinum Jubilee Conference. And we will be back again for the second quarter-final to be played between Tainem and Lamlang at 10 AM.